Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley B. Deck, and get a load of this install. This one comes courtesy of Nadula. They sent over this beautiful 7x5 glueless wavy wig. I'm going to be doing a 5-minute install for you guys straight out of the box. Perfect for fall. Gonna look really nice with your boots and sweaters. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, so it wouldn't be right if I wasn't about 10 minutes out from leaving the house and just now putting a wig on. I actually need to leave in like 6 minutes and I still need to use the restroom. So we're gonna do like a one product install, and this one comes courtesy of Nadula. I'm gonna see if I can get this baby on in like 4 minutes or less. Look at that beautiful hairline, and when you pull this little packaging off, you will see that this is a pre-everything wig. The lace is pre-cut and it has that beautiful scalloped cut. The hairline is pre-plucked, and it's so gorgeous because of course the knots are bleached. They have it set as a center part, and of course it is a closure wig. This is gonna fit so glueless and snug and easy. Because we don't have time, I'm going to do no baby hair, and of course that works in you guys' favor because you guys love no baby hair. So I'm gonna show you how to put your wig on in like 4 minutes. I know I usually say 10 minutes, but I'm gonna talk and work because literally that's the best thing about like wavy texture wigs, is that as long as the install is like nice in the front and it's like flat, you can literally just let it go and it works. So I'm gonna take pictures and all that later when we get back, but we have to go. Okay, so I adjusted the straps as well as the elastic band. Let's put her on and get to work. Put the back on, swish it, and booyah, we are installed. Look at that. Now this is no smoke and mirrors. I did not prep this wig by any means. Here is a good texture shot before adding any product. And I think I'm gonna do a no product install or style. Now the one thing is that the lace on this is top tier. So you wanna push that wig cap back as best you can. And as you guys can see, it's nice and snug to where you don't need to add anything. The hairline is glueless and seamless. So there's a part of me that wants to add a little bit of this to kind of like melt it underneath. Because what makes these types of installs so tea is when the hairline goes missing. It also looks more natural when you push it back, but I have a bad habit of wanting it forward. Now the last time I did an install, we did this product here, and I feel like it's kind of like too watery. Like it's not giving product. So I'm gonna go with Old Faithful Lot of Body. And we're not gonna waste any time. Okay, ladies, let's get to styling. I'm using my Lotta Body mousse. You guys already know this is my favorite. It is affordable at about $4 to $5 per bottle. And I really love the way this stuff goes and how it really goes in and defines the curls. Once you spray it, it kind of fluffens up a little bit. So you gotta go back in one more time. Contain those curls. It's time to go. Make sure you have all your stuff. If you want some sausages, last chance. Okay, I'm going to brush the hair out just to kind of get the girls to clump a little bit how I want them to. And then from there, I'm going to take some more of that mousse and form the edges. So the reason this is not baby hair is because I am forming it with longer lengths of hair. That way, it's like faux baby hair, if you will, where it's not necessarily a committed thing. It's kind of like faux, but you keep the length, if that makes any sense. And then from there, we're going to tint the lace. And you guys already know the Ruby Kisses range is my favorite. And then the Maybelline in the parting. Okay, so when I say we gotta, oh, look how good I'm looking. You gotta blend out that parting a little bit, which it's just foundation. So just like your foundation wears off, your lace tint foundation will also wear off. But when I say we gotta go, I mean it is 4:17 and I like to be in the car by 4:20, and I have not using the restroom. I was gonna change my outfit, but we are not. So I'm gonna put on a mail belt and I'm just gonna leave it on for the car ride, take it off so I'm presentable and not ghetto, and then let the hair hair air dry, and you guys will see what the hair looks like when we get back. I can already tell it's gonna be super fire. And did you guys see how easy the hairline was? Super gorgeous. This is the before and this is the after. Okay, babies, and this is the after look. I absolutely love this wig. My favorite part is how seamless the hairline looks. It's definitely giving a wet lace vibe and energy. With this one here, I love the wet and wavy look. Hopefully this was simple and easy to follow along. I truly enjoy Nadula Hair and their range of wigs. Very easy, beginner friendly. This wavy 2.0 Bye Bye Knots wig was a dream and one of my favorite everyday wigs to throw on after a good shower, for the gym, to run errands, to Mommy Anna, and even for date night. So if you're interested in her, I'll have a direct link as well as all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches. Nadula.